Okay, and now I visited in this old scrap cars recycle center, and I found in there one inner fender, and this is maybe from Ford car or Toyota Corolla car. There is even R logo like right side. Now I am looking that can I see any stamps that who was this maker. There's no any stamps, but this is just suitable spare part to me, because I can now use this old part like in spare part. And there is this my model, and now I install this my sides, this tool part. Now I check that in what way I like to use that. Now I think that maybe it is good to use in this way. This is good. And then I need pencil, and we can purchase from internet these yellow pages. This is good, very good, made in Japan, Sakura. This pencil, and using this device I can easily do these lines, that what is this my spare part size. Okay, good. And then I need to cut this away, and I take my special tool. And here we have this my Makita tool, and this cutting disc is really excellent for this plastic cutting. And there is my Makita's model, and this is really easy battery based 18 volts system. And let's take this cutting. Okay, and now my spare part is ready, and then I can take these covers with sandpaper in soft. I use a little bit sandpaper, and then this are, and I finish also these sides, and then we can go to install next this my spare part. And this is really excellent spare part, because this is just right plastic, because this is fender part, older fender part, and this is like maybe this Ford car, but Ford makes good plastic parts, and I install this part now to Mercedes-Benz car, and in that way I can use Ford parts what I install to Mercedes-Benz. And then I need to also do in there couple of holes that I can install screws through those holes. Okay, and let's go to look soon that when I have made holes and I install this part in my car. Okay, and here is this final result, and there is really I install in here one screw, and then I use also this plastic, these fasteners, and I have in here even more of these installation holes. But now this my repair and this spare part place is in position, and now I have eliminate that hole that there is no any more water or sand or mud flying inside an engine area. And this repair looks very good, and it is not the original quality, but we have eliminated that hole where sand goes in inner area. And I am quite happy on that result, and I can even improve that when I cut these extra things like nicer, and then I have better work, better result, and then I can also add in these sides sealant, this some elastic silicone based sealant, and then this is more secure, but normally water goes in here and then down. Okay, that kind of information to you, my friend.